Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video will take a look at AutoDS prices for Amazon users. I'll show you how to get the best price possible, how to make your trial period as longer as possible. So basically we have three plans here: Import 200, Starter 500, and also Advanced 1K. And the main difference is of course in the number of products we can add. But as for me, the best plan is Starter 500. I'll explain my thoughts now. So if you're going to pay annually, you will get these prices like $50 for import, for starter $70, and also $120 for advanced. And if you're going to pay monthly, we'll have to pay a little bit more. So if you want to save 25%, I definitely recommend you to use it like with annual payment. And what do we have on import? So we have these options here, like product importer, product research tool, draft manager, auto manager, product image editor, like smart filter system, extension, one-click drafts, and also some other things. But on the import like starter 500, we'll get all of import, plus we can import up to 500 products, which is pretty cool. Full product editor, bulk product importer, automated order supported, like fulfilled by AutoDS service supported, copy paste extension for shipping address, and a lot of other features like smart pricing rule system and so on. So as for me, definitely the best variant to start with AutoDS on Amazon is to use Starter 500. Of course, if you want to increase the number of products you will use, you can use like Advanced 1K, but you can upgrade to it a little bit later. So if you want to start from Starter 500. And now I will tell you how to get the best price. So at the description, you can find the link to AutoDS. If you go through it, you can get 1 month using AutoDS for free for $1 only. So instead of 2 weeks, you'll be able to use it for 1 month, and you'll be able to decide is it suitable as for you to use AutoDS. So go down, like find the link and use it to get the best possible options to start with AutoDS. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye.